In this video I will show you 5 amazing video effects you need to try. Thank you to PromeAI for sponsoring this video. PromeAI is a platform that will transform many sketches, photos or drawings into interesting illustrations. In the next part of the video I will show you how to use this website. Tap on Try Now and then upload an image. If you want, you can use images available on this website. On the left side, describe how you want your image to look, and then choose the style you like. After that, tap on the Generate button and then AI will do the work for you very quickly. Now you can download the photo you like. You can use this website on any device through your browser. Here you can see how the AI transformed my sketch into a futuristic portrait in just a few seconds. Tap the button in the lower right corner to see the before version. This tool will save you time because with its help you can remove or replace anything in your photos with ease. Background diffusion is great if you want to change the background and make any product photo look professional. This option offers many presets that will help you create great photos in just a few clicks. The great thing about AI Chat is that you can send your picture and AI will create a great edit in the style you like. You can use PromeAI for free or choose one of the affordable subscription plans. This platform is very useful and I know you will like it. The link is in the video description. In this tutorial I will show you how to create an out of the frame effect, so let's get started. Open CapCut, tap on the new project and select the video you want to edit. Tap on the video and then copy it. Go back to the first video and then add the keyframe at the beginning. After that, tap on the mask and select the film strip mask. Adjust the mask with 2 fingers so that it is out of the frame. After a few frames, adjust the mask as I did. Now go to Graphs and select Ease Out too. Tap on the second video and then select Overlay, then match the videos. Now tap on the Overlay video and select Remove Background in Cutout. After editing, your video should look like this. Now you can export the video. This effect is great if you want to create an interesting intro for your social media. Tap on the new project and then in stock videos select white background. I set the video duration to 4 seconds. Now tap on the text and add the text you want. Select the black color and then choose the font you like. Adjust the size and then align the text with the background. Tap on the text and then select Fade in Animation. After animation, add the keyframe and tap on Style and then select Flow. Now select the color, increase the range and completely decrease the intensity. After a few frames, tap on Style and increase the intensity. Drag your finger forward a few frames and then reduce the intensity again. For now, my video looks like this. Now add a keyframe to the background where the text flows the most. After a few frames, reduce the opacity. Now go back and select the same color in the canvas that you choose for the glow effect. To find the same color, you can use the color picker. After editing, my video looks like this. Now in CapCut you can turn yourself into an anime character, and I will show you how. Tap on the new project, then tap on photos and then choose photo you want to edit. Tap on the photo and then tap on the style option. Now tap on the AI painting and choose the effect you like the most. The gradient text effect is great if you want your text to stand out, and it's great for intro videos. Tap on the new project and then in stock videos select black background. Expand the video as you like. Now tap on text option and then add text. Choose the font and size you like and then choose the color. Fit the text with the background video and then export the video. Now go back and change the text color. After changing the color, export the video. Now tap on the new project and select one of the exported videos. Tap on overlay and then add second video. Match it with the background video. Add a keyframe at the beginning and then tap on the mask option. Now you can choose the mask you like and move it as I did. This arrow will help you create a gradient effect. Go to the end of the video and move the mask as you like. After editing, my video looks like this. Now you can export the video. Tap on the new project and select the video in which you want to add auto captions.
In today's tutorial you will learn how to create a character introduction video.
Tap on text option and then select auto captions. In auto captions select one of the animations and then tap on start. To correct the mistakes, tap batch edit and then edit the text. Now in style, you can choose the font and color you like. You can choose interesting effect to make your subtitle look better. After adding auto captions, my video looks like this.
In today's tutorial you will learn how to create a character introduction video effect in CapCut.
Export the video and thanks for watching.